Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you and welcome to my YouTube channel AK Blochi. Today I am going to tell you the best strategy for using boom and crush. So now first of all, what should we have to do? You have to focus on this chart and what I am going, you should just follow, okay? And this is a compulsory for you that how you are using this strategy, but this strategy is used by only M1 time frame in your MT5 account. If you are using binary, I think if you are using MT5 derivative account, so you can use and you can apply this strategy in your MT5. So we have to go on this indicator section. We have also gone and we have to go now relative strength index. We will quickly click on this option. We have to set this their period is 14, but we have to set this just only one. We have to draw 4 and now apply to close style pixel 1, and we have to set these levels also set it there 30 and 70, but we have to close this, that's all. And we have to click on this option. We have to keep writing there 10, and there we have to keep writing 90, and we have to click on this option. Now we have to click on the done. You can see as like this channel will be appeared on your MT5 and your boom 1000 index chart. So then what we have to do, we have to go on same option indicator. We have to click on main chart. No, but we don't have to click on main chart, we have to click on indicator window. So we will click there and we have to set now moving average. We have click here and there is option 10. I have also and already set it this period, and shift is 0, method simple, apply to close, and we have applied to close. No, we have to keep here apply. We have to click on the first indicator data, previous indicators data, wait close, but you have to keep this close. And method, what is method? Method is simple, but we have click on the method, so we have to select the option linear weight. We have click on already here and we have click on that done. So like that this option has comes in the MT5 account, and we have to go on the same option indicator window 1, and now we have to choose moving average, and we have to write there 13, and we have to change this color on black. If you have black screen in your MT5 chart, so you have to choose the color white, but if you have white chart, then you have to select the black color, and you have to done. Like that this option is very easily for the catch spike. And now we have to set the pixel and we have to change the color on black. We have done like that this option. Now you have to focus here. I am just going and I am just trying to tell you how should we use this. You can watch there, this line has touched on the 10 line, so spike quickly come. If you still don't understand, I am going to show you that how can spike come. Now we have to select this option, and you can see this line touched with 10, but after this line spike has come, you can see spike. And if you have to still watch, you have to zoom out this like that, and you can see here spike come, and we have to go back. Now you can see, you just focus on this line black and red, okay? Now you can see this touch here and a spike comes. Now again you can see this touch and spikes comes again. You have to keep setting this in your MT5 like me, and please subscribe my channel And if you want to create your account, you have don't account direct, so the link is in description. You can use my link to create your account. This there is big advantage to create your account from my link. I can always solve your problem, example withdrawal or deposit. You can contact me and you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is in description. So we will meet in the next video. So now Allah Hafiz and care yourself and at your home.